Hi guys, वेलकम बैक टू अगेन और यूट्यूब चैनल फिनसाइट। और आज हम बात करेंगे हमारे अदर सेशन अगले सेशन के बारे में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारा अगला सेशन। सो दिस इज अबाउट व्हाट हैपेंड टू द पी ऑन कंपनीज। पी इन्वेस्टमेंट फंड्स में क्या होता है वो हम आज देखने वाले हैं। ठीक है, तो चलिए। सो द कंपनीज ओन बाय पी फर्म्स, मतलब जिनमें कंपनी पी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स होते हैं या पी जिसमें इन्वेस्ट करती है, यूजली हैव सेवरल डिफरेंस कंपेयर टू द पब्लिक ओन कंपनीज। सो क्या होता है कि जो भी पब्लिक कंपनी है, one second, let me change it to normal. सो पब्लिक कंपनी वर्सेस पी फर्म्स, तो इनमें क्या डिफरेंस होता है ये देखिए। तो सो पी ओन कंपनीज हैव अ मैनेजमेंट टीम, बोर्ड, टैलेंट ऑल अराउंड केयरफुली सेलेक्टेड फॉर द वैल्यू क्रिएशन एंड यूजुअली विद द इंसेंटिव मैच। तो पी फंड्स में क्या होता है, यूजुअली आपके अंदर हर ईच स्टेज पे, समझ रहे हो, ईच स्टेज पे टैलेंट फोक्स होंगे, मतलब टैलेंटेड पीपल विद राइट पे ऑफ, राइट, बिकॉज a good team is very important to flip in 4 to 5 years, right? Where public company usually have a board serving their own interest. So board of directors होते हैं, they have their own interest, and they are supposed to protect that. Supposed to protect that, right? And they are only focused on the short term shareholder value. तो इनका जो मेन मुद्दा होता है वो होता है मार्केट कैप इंक्रीज करना, को इंक्रीज मार्केट कैप, एंड इट्स शॉर्ट टर्म गोल। वेल, पी का तो पूरा जो मास्टर प्लान होता है, प्लान ही जो है, नॉट नॉट दिस वन आई थिंक, हाँ, वन सेकेंड, आई मीन पी का जो मास्टर प्लान होता है वो 4 to 5 years में तो आपको नीड टू मेक इट प्रॉफिटेबल। समझ रहे हैं? तो रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग बिजनेस यूनिट्स एंड बिजनेस लाइंस, while public companies usually contain all sort of business unit, I mean including loss making, लॉस मेकिंग प्रोडक्ट पोर्टफोलियोज, वेरियस प्रोडक्ट लाइंस जो होती है, ठीक है, वेरिड लेवल ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस। यहाँ पे परफॉर्मेंस जो है आप देखेंगे यूजुअली एवरेज भी होता है, बट इन पी फर्म्स दिस टैलेंटेड पीपल वुड ऑलवेज हैव a हाई परफॉर्मेंस इंडिविजुअल्स, हाई परफॉर्मर। अदरवाइज if they don't high perform, then they would be part of the trimming of the fat, that is operational cost reduce. So the things happen, hire, fire, and everything, and changing in the plan and everything in 4 to 5 years. So this keeps on ruthlessly into the PE firm to make them as a profitable in 4 to 5 years. चलिए, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड क्या बोलता है हमारा। So the efficiency in the PE owned company is usually achieved by the shaping the company into the master plan for value creation. First plan is defined, for example, for the company to be a market leader within 5 years in a specific segment. Then in practice, people move, hired, fired, and business units are sold off, spin off, reinforced, product line is shifted, and everything else necessary to be done to make that plan happen or make it reality. So जो प्लान हमने मास्टर में उसके लिए मतलब कुछ भी करेंगे हम लोग, दिस इज द बेसिकली क्रक्स। एंड पी फर्म्स ओनली मेजर सर्टेन की इंडिकेटर, इनके कुछ ही इंडिकेटर्स जिन पे हम कह सकते हैं कि पी इज सक्सेसफुल नॉट, डू एवरीथिंग दे कैन optimize them. This include things like focusing on cash instead of earning, because cash is a very important, because the debt has to be repaired. That is why cash is very important for them. Maybe they have a good earnings, but if they are not able to convert them into the cash flows, then it's not a good indicator for them, right? So earning optimization, OpEx, few critical operational indicators, which is very operational indicators, especially for them. If the firms operate well, then they will be able to pay off the debt on the time, and they can keep running for 4 to 5 years and make it profitable. Thereafter, what happened? Thereafter, in specific, the reduction of working capital, that is OPEX, is critical to PE-owned companies. It's imperative to the balance sheet at the end of month. It's a leverage situation. Every dollar of cash is precious, and it is company's oxygen. As I told you, private equity firms may cash, and the cash is the oxygen. Money is the oxygen, because in the end of the day, what is being left over in the balance sheet as a cash is should be there for to paying the debt commitments. After most restructuring in the company's layoff, extension, and business units and business lines occurs not just due to strategic reason, but due to necessary for cash as well. So अब इसलिए PE firms में this is not only the strategic reason that they had to hire and fire and killing the business lines and everything. They are also supposed to do in such sometimes when they are not able to convert their earnings into the cash also. Maybe you are earning well, but you are not able to convert those in numbers into the cash, because cash is critical to pay off your debt commitments and everything. So this is the also reason there's a things happen like cutting of the business line, spin-off, selling of disinvestments, layoffs and all in the PE funds. You can see this is one of the reasons. To further accelerate the path towards value creation, right? For the 4 to 5 years master plan, people are carefully selected for the right position, making sure they own their work, and for this usually very well compensated. So as I told you, compensation is great in PE. Why? Right people, right position, right people required. I think that's all for today's session, I believe. So if you really like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. And we have almost completed our fundamental module uh, by this, and we will be seeing the next thing in our 4 modules where we will be completing that module. So thanks for watching the videos. Please do like, share, and subscribe for the more premium finance content. Bye bye.